Hi everyone, this video is about setting up your Easync account, running through your Easync settings, and then linking your Easync account to your eBay account.
Yeah, so guys, straight away we've got a referral link right here which is going to be in the text, as you'll see before watching this video.
Yep.
If you haven't got it, then just exit this video, get the referral and highlight it, copy it, and then start watching this video. So once you've done that, you're going to copy the referral link, as I've already said, and then go into the URL and just paste it in.
Okay, so this link will link you straight to Easync, and it'll go straight to the sign up page, as you can see. And this way you can start your account. Now, if you already have been curious about what Easync is, and you've already had a look at the website, all you need to do is clear your cookies, nice and easy, and then you just use that link, put it in there, and go straight to creating an account.
Right guys, so after you've just filled in your details, you're going to start the free trial. Okay, so this is just Easysync's terms and conditions and the agreement. So it's just the standard sort of procedures really. So you're just going to accept rules, and then here we go. First of all, you're going to add your store.
So it's fairly straightforward. So they'll have these little prompts to try and help you. If you want to have a little read of them, you can. We'll do is add the store first. We click on add store. And as you can see, it says eBay, Amazon, Fulfillment, Shopify. So it's got all these options, but of course we're just going to go with eBay GB. And as you can see, we're logging in now. So you just get your login. So you log in as usual. This is actually linking now from Easync to eBay. So you can see it's fairly straightforward. And this is where we're granting the access to the, what they're calling it themselves, APP in this for this. So if you agree, click agree. And this now has actually linked the app between Easync and eBay. So now the two accounts are actually linked together. So Easync now has access to your eBay. So whatever you do on Easync will actually happen on eBay as well.
So guys, here's Easysync once again, just granting access to eBay. That's all it is. It's just sort of saying here, don't accept anybody unless you trust the app, which of course we do. Yep. So it's just a case of pressing I agree.
And it really is this easy, as easy as this. So now all we're doing is going to enter our PayPal email. Okay, so we've just entered the PayPal email address. This is a new screen to us.
Yeah.
It's just like, oh, look at it, it's so nice. We didn't expect that. So we just entered the PayPal email address just then because Easync links up to eBay. So it does need to know your PayPal, where the payments will be being sent to. And this will lead on something called business policies, which we'll show you after this video. So we are actually now in the Easync app, you could call it, the Easync website. It does run on a cloud service. So we're going to run through all the settings now. So if Matt, you want to click the settings at the top of the screen.
Yeah, sure. Before I do that, just quickly, notice we've got a message right in the bottom right hand corner. This is Michael. He is the owner of Easysync, and straight away he's, this will just be a bot chat. But yeah, if you ever need any help with Easysync, guys, they're always on hand. They do usually take a few hours to get back to you, but they're always there, and we do advise that you use them regularly.
Yeah, if there's any technical problems on Easync and we can't really, I know that you're going to be asking us questions, we're always there for support in our group. It's if there's any other questions that you want to ask, it's really good to ask Easync directly. They are getting better and better. They're getting strength to strength, so they are taking on more people to help with the customer service.
Yes, definitely. So guys, we're going to dive right in with the settings straight away. So at the top, API, we don't really need to pay any attention to this.
No, we're going straight to fulfillment accounts.
So we're going to go straight to fulfillment accounts.
So fulfillment accounts is where Amazon comes in. So this is where because we're using Amazon as our fulfillment for eBay, filling the orders, Easync to Amazon. So we are going to actually, so all of those are switched off because they're filled by Easync. That's something different, something we will talk about another time. For now, we're actually going to be using as you know, your own Amazon account.
Okay, guys. So as you're going to be selecting your own fulfillment account, and I'm just going to take a minute, go ahead and type in my details. I suggest you guys do the same. So guys, now you've just filled in your details, you're going to create this and you're going to create your fulfillment account on Easync.
The details you just saw then, what we put at the bottom. So just to re-explain, if we click on there again for us, Matt, just a quick one. So at the bottom of the page, we've gone through, filled everything out, and right at the bottom, there's actually these details here. It says last 4 digits of the credit card number. You might think, well, why am I putting them in again if I've already put them in? It's actually for security, because when Easync logs in, sometimes Amazon throws up a security page, and it'll ask for the last 4 digits of the card number, it'll ask for the full name, ask for the phone number, and it'll also ask for the some of the parts, the details of the card. So that's why we have to fill that in as well, so you don't get confused by seeing that again. But yeah, it sometimes throws security prompts, so Easync needs to log in.
Definitely, yeah. There we go.
Okay, so if you're thinking why is there a red triangle next to the course example, we just need to link the account. So we're going to link it on the Google account. So I know that people might be wondering why that's like that. Don't worry about it. So now we can going to connect the Google account. This is nice and easy, and that's because, the reason why Easync uses Gmail is because it can link up like this, and that's why it's nice and easy, because you just click on Connect Account, you put in the username, you put in the password, and it just connects straight up to it. You just need authorization. As you can see, it's all done now, so it's all connected up. So what we have to say is allow. Okay, so you click allow, and it's all done.
There we go, guys. Then when you go back to fulfillment account, you'll notice it now has a green tick, which means it's all successfully linked up.
It's all linked up. So that Gmail account is the same one for both Amazon and for Gmail. You might be thinking, well, why does Easync need to actually connect the two up? And it's purely because when Amazon sends something out, the tracking goes to that email, and also when Easync's logging into Amazon, Amazon sends a code to that email. So it does two things. One, it uses it for the tracking details that it needs to grab, and the other one, which is probably actually more important, it actually uses the code that gets sent to Amazon, sent to your Gmail, and that's just for security. Just make sure someone else isn't logging in they shouldn't, and then Easync gets that code and puts it in the login details on Amazon, and it logs in securely.
So there we go. It's just allowing Easync to connect all the dots, and it is absolutely fantastic.
Yeah, it works pretty well.
So I'm going to go to tracking now. So auto tracking or...
Yep, so we enable auto tracking. And then we also go on to Amazon UK. And then we click save.
We don't need to... This is something new, actually, isn't
Yeah,
it?
that's something new. At the moment, we don't need to do that. I think that is just to do with Germany. That's fine, yeah. So all that does, everyone, is we've enabled auto tracking. Auto tracking is where it takes it from the email that we just explained, and we're placing the tracking carrier. The reason why it says replace tracking carrier is because it's often a third party that uses Amazon. It's like Amazon couriers, and eBay doesn't accept it as like the picture you would see on Amazon. You can't just take that tracking number and put it into eBay because it can't find those tracking details because there's no website that links to it. So what Easync do is they actually have a tracking details website, and it replaces that tracking number on Amazon with a new tracking number. So it's still linked, still the same tracking details, but puts it on in website form. So then we can put that code and with a link, and it goes on automatically onto eBay, and eBay accepts that.
Yep, and there we go, guys. So we've clicked Amazon UK. Obviously, depending what country you're dropshipping from, just click the appropriate one.
Yep.
Right, on to the next one is Vero Blacklist. Now, we're actually doing a separate video for this, just because we've got a lot. Well, it won't take very long. We just got to give you our own.
Yeah, we want to dedicate video to it so we can explain it properly, so
Precisely.
people can understand it. Because you got to do this properly with the Vero Blacklist as well.
So we'll just move on to the next one for now. This is virtual assistants. Now, this is pretty cool and very new from Easync as well. So they clocked on that a lot of people are starting to use virtual assistants, just like we are.
Yeah.
And here you can give your virtual assistant's email address. They will then just accept through that email, and then they will have limited access to your Easync account. So they can still access your orders for you and all the vital information, but they won't be able to access your card details. So this is really handy.
Yeah, no, it is a really good idea. Ever since we've had VAs on board, it has really helped us, and we do give them access to Easync, and this is a nice little feature they've added. It kind of encourages people to get VAs as well.
Yeah,
so.
Precisely. It's certainly a good idea. So yeah, this is something for you guys to think about in the future when you do take on VAs, which will definitely happen.
Yeah.
Do remember that you can get them all signed into your Easync through this. Okay, guys, I believe that's it for the settings and linking your accounts. It's as easy as that.
Yep, part 1 done. Part 2 will be store settings and repricing.
Lovely stuff. See you in the next video, guys.
Thanks. Bye.